Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Nickolas, and Nickolas is 10 years old, and he is an identical twin. And we're working on upper extremity strengthening. In the last video, we did wall push-ups, sort of, because I didn't really have a wall. But now we're going to do what I call desk or countertop push-ups. So one of the things I like to have kids do is put their hands on. I like their thumbs underneath the edge, because sometimes kids' hands start sliding forward. If their thumb is underneath the edge, then it makes it a little bit easier for them to keep their hands in place. With some clients, I have to have an adult on either side helping hold their hands in the right position, such as a person who has cerebral palsy. Nickolas, of course, does not have cerebral palsy. Let's move back, move back. All right, this is just like with the wall push-ups. The further back your feet are, the harder this is. I want you to go down until your chest touches. So often what I end up doing is having a hand on the low back. We need to go a little closer, huh? Here you go. I want that chest to touch, so my hand touches all the way down, and back. 1, 2, 3, make sure it touches. Go to 5, 4, 5. Now Nickolas is doing a super job at this. It's not uncommon for kids to want to cheat and kind of go like this. And that's one of the reasons I had my hand on his hips. Let's just see if he, nope, there's no cheating from him. He's keeping a nice, beautiful, nice straight line from his shoulders all the way down to his feet. Fantastic. Do you remember that one where we did with the clap? Can you do a clap? Go down and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The other way you could do this is working on just holding it. So let's see how far out your feet can go and you can hold it. So you don't have to go up and down. Ooh, you don't want to slide. Yikes. Right there. And try to keep those hips in line with your body. Those arms straight. Head up for me. I like it. Let's count that. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I wouldn't count that fast if we weren't on video. So you can do planks as well as the push-ups, as well as the push-up and claps. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye. If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.